Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here. Another new and exciting product coming here from the team at Speedwerx. Last year we released our lightweight oil tank for the Polaris Matryx models. That was a 1 quart option, and that held enough oil for a full tank of gas. Rethinking things, doing things a little bit more differently here. Guys that pack fuel in out in the mountains and stuff, that 1 quart option wasn't good enough, so now we have a 1.5 quart option as well. And that'll be good for 1.5 tanks of fuel. Same thing, mounts in all the same places. Use stock mounting hardware, or it comes with 1 bolt actually, sorry. It reuses your stock oil sensor. That'll push right in. Your stock oil pickup, that presses right into this fitting here, and it uses your stock vented cap. You'll see pictures and whatnot in the video here to show everything goes. 100% made in the USA right here at Speedwerx shop. Retail price of $229.95. The tank itself weighs 0.85 pounds empty. A full tank of this versus a full tank of oil stock, it saves you approximately 6 pounds. And then we buy a ton of storage space under there. We'll show you pictures of what our bag options are. There's another video, you can check that out, and you can see the boost option and the 859R option for our storage solutions when you're running these oil tanks too. Helps lower your CG, super cool, tough, durable bags. But yeah, check that out. But again, 1.5 quart oil tank, retails for $229.95, 100% made in the USA. Check it out on the website. If you got any questions, give us a call.